Just received the replacement part for my wall clock. It cost about $2. I hope it works. Let's see if it fits the clock face. There seems to be a problem. The new part couldn't fit nicely. There was a gap between the clock face and the replacement part. Maybe I can reuse some of the old parts to solve the gap problem. Cut away the top and bottom section of old pendulum mechanism and reuse the mid-section. Use double-side tape to stick it on the back of the clock face. Now the new part fits perfectly. Align the clock hands. Reassemble the clock frame. Just need to clean the glass surface a bit more. The repair was successful. The pendulum works. It swings. I hope it can last. Not bad for a $2 part that I ordered from Shopee.